Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the air filter on the Textron Wildcat XX. Air filter maintenance is essential for best performance and long engine life. If the air filter isn't serviced frequently enough, it can lead to premature engine wear or even serious engine damage. Textron recommends replacing the air filter every 6 months, 100 hours, or 1,600 miles under normal use, and more frequently under severe riding conditions. This can be determined by regular inspections. To do this job, you'll need a few basic hand tools, the Textron OEM air filter that's available on our website, safety glasses, and rags. Always refer to your model-specific service manual for proper installation procedures and more information. On our machine, we've got a spare tire, so we're going to remove that and the tire mount. If you don't have this, move to the next step and remove the 4 tray bolts, then remove the tray. Next, we're going to make sure things are fairly clean around the housing, and we're going to pull the release tab outward away from the housing. To remove our filter cover, we're going to rotate it counterclockwise about 1/16 of a turn and pull outward. Next, we're going to remove our air filter. Now we're going to inspect our air filter element and replace as necessary. Don't use compressed air to clean the old element because it may cause tears and allow dirt to get past it. Next, we're going to put a clean rag down the intake tube and clean the air filter housing. Make sure you remove the clean rag from the intake tube and install the new air filter. When you install the air filter, make sure it's seated on its groove. After we've done that, we can align our clean filter cover with the air filter housing and turn it 1/16 of a turn clockwise. Now that we've got our filter cover installed, we're going to make sure the drain is at the bottom, push our locking tab at the top in, and reinstall our cargo tray. For many of you, this is going to be the last step. For us, we're going to reinstall our tire mount and spare tire. And that's all there is to it. Here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, we have a huge selection of OEM and aftermarket parts. So be sure to check out our website and get free shipping on orders over $75. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.